how-to, folks. You will never believe what I found at Goodwill in the tools slash sports equipment area in an Ace Hardware bag, which it is not anything to do with Ace Hardware. $3.50. Let me show you this. I should have opened this already, but look at this. I'll dump these out. This thing says it's a USA 6300 Welch Allen. If I click this sucker up, a light comes on. It is some kind of medical equipment. I'm going to look it up real fast and see what they go for on eBay. All right. Look at this, folks. I looked up Welch Allen 6300, and look at this. It's called a autoclave laryngoscope. $75 ain't bad. Rusty.